Alright guys, before we go further in this course, let me tell you what we will be building in this basic project. Okay, we are going to build a student directory where you will add the student data into the database and display it in the front end. So for that we will use Bootstrap. First we will make a simple home page, then we'll make a student app, then inside that app we'll make student directory so that you will properly understand how it works. Alright. So let's first use Bootstrap Jumbotrons for the home page. If you don't know Bootstrap, then just no worries, just follow along with me. It's very easy. Okay, so let me go to the new tab now and let me say Bootstrap Jumbotrons. Okay, and you will get this result. Click on this and you will see this. This is how it looks, and I want this, and I will just copy this one. All right, just copy this and paste it inside the home.html. Let me delete it, and now we should make a HTML skeleton, right? HTML head, body, and all those stuff. So what we will do is, if you are using Atom, then just press shift and exclamation mark and press tab. Okay, now you will see this doc type, HTML, and all those stuff. This is the HTML skeleton. Okay, so in the title, let's remove this document and say student homepage. Okay, so here inside this body, just paste what we copied. All right, let me indent it properly. Okay, so this is the code. So if you try to run this like this, then it will not run. Okay, see, Jumbotron is like this actually, so it should look like this, but it is not taking any CSS, right? So if you already know Bootstrap, then you know what is missing here. So we call it CDN. Okay, so we should include this CDN inside this page, then it will work. CDN is actually content delivery network, which provides you the inbuilt colors and inbuilt style to this page. Okay, so let me open the new tab and say Bootstrap CDN. All right, now let's go to the bootstrapcdn.com and copy this CSS. Okay, copy this CSS and go to your page. Here above this head, just open a link tag, and inside this relation Arial, this is the style sheet, and in the href you paste this one. Okay, and hit save. Let me remove this extra tag. Now if you reload the page, alright, now this is the Jumbotron, but this is the full width. We don't want full width, so let's go to this home.html, and in the div class Jumbotron, let's say container. Okay, container, and save. Now refresh. Okay, so this is how it looks. So let me just quickly change this. Hello, hello, let's say student. Okay, this button also, let me say instead of this learn more, let me say student list. Okay, when we click on the student list, we should be able to see all the list of student. Okay, so this is just demo purpose. You can just, so this is not looking great, but still for the sake of the home page, I just did this. So in the next lecture we will actually make the student apps and models. Okay.